Right, come on. You all know me. You all know these two over here.
Hello.
Hiding like a little wimpy boy.
Going on holiday.
We're going out in our new passion wagon. And we're so happy it's got air conditioning in here, or whatever they call it. So we're going to be cooling down now in a minute. And we'll see where we end up when we lads.
Yep.
Where do you think we'll end up to?
Probably in the lake.
Yeah, right there, probably in the lake. We're waiting for the she-devil as usual.
Am I supposed to be, am I recording something here? Am I?
Just email me where you want to aim.
Oh,
Sure.
right.
Then you have to order up and you can email it to Scott.
Careful, see. Oh.
That's a bit sick. Disable badge.
Well, it said pay and display. That's what it said. But is it an old one or what?
I've seen people parking. In it, boys! So you're aiming it the wrong way now.
Oh.
Try to aim it at the boys.
Yeah, we go. Just couldn't park on the front. We're just finding something to park in the car park now left.
If you think of building a few houses on it. What?
What? Yeah, right on.
I did look, I don't know.
Yeah, okay. Well, yeah, obviously. If that were you, can't not come in there you brought it.
Oh, I'd find something else to pack, not a bit of that. You know me, I'm a tearaway. But I don't have a reach.
Give me my phone, please, off.
What do you want your phone for?
Because if you're going to do it, you've got to ring them. Ring the number.
You checking your flicking this time of day anyway. It's this car park, it's empty, innit? Come on. Compared to what it usually is.
Hang on, I'm 50 pence, so I should have been £3, yeah.
Oh, I got no.
Oh no.
What are we saying? No.
Will it take 20 pence? Yeah. 20, 40,
5 pence even.
60. I got a 50. Right, so, right. Enter registration number, right?
Yeah. Money grabbing gits.
Rob, you may have a problem, Houston. Oh, hang on, it's going in. Right.
Now press the green button.
This girl knows, see? Should have come down here with her.
It's
I
alright.
should have come down here with her, shouldn't I?
Thank you.
Alf, good picture. Stick your head over. Pretend you're enjoying yourself. You're at Barry Island. You know, I walked up here when I was your age.
Yeah.
With my mum and dad. Come on, there's some girls. Get going.
Right, Rob, are you going to need your phone in a minute?
Yeah, I'll do a couple of.
Right, the shoes are there, so don't walk away, right? Hang on, watch this one.
Look at that car. Oh, it looks like a car. Oh, wow.
I did go. Come up saying
Well, that's what we do. Remember, it was all those carpetry things with all the wires
oh, right,
underneath?
yeah.
Oh, it's too late now, but that's where we should go. Instead of playing more next time.
So yeah, I wanted to go.
Oh, you still want to go round there?
Yeah. I don't know whose idea was it, and getting them in there.
Well, I thought it was just like a run a blast for the car.
I don't want to go on anything. It was a walk from...
Well, they'd have a bag of chips, walked in to the wall, and then back.
Oh, I didn't mean down there, no.
Oh, right.
I just met around by here.
All right. There's chip shops up by there, isn't there? Well, don't throw that, son. Right, they gone? There's a bin by there.
They can spot a chip from 200 miles away. What?
They're moaning. Oh, supposed to feed them. Signs everywhere saying don't fucking feed them. And that's why I just looked at it. I thought, want to say something in there? I think we'll go back to the car now, he said. Right, bin. Put it in the bin, please. Come on, because we've got to make our way back now.
There's King Kong by there.
That's more like you. Why did you go off the right side?
Yeah, please.
Come and see King Kong.
Watch, there's somebody on there. Careful.
Alfie. I got you now.
Go on. Two monkeys with a monkey.
Right, turn around, I can't see you.
Hang on, I'm supposed to go up here.
I can't go. Oh, I know.
Stick your finger up his nose.
That's it, like that.
I got it.
Right, Al.
I'm going up here.
Just stand on there and look at me. Look at me now.
I know, he wants to be up like Riley is, but he's not going any other way.
But you haven't got an hand for that.
No, stand for this. See the bottom part?
Quick, here's the police. Oh wait there, I gotta have a picture of him. I didn't know he was down here this week. Where's me pussycat? Come on.